Hi folks, welcome to a sunny Andover, and just show you around this lovely AndoverX. We've got 3-axle AndoverX. We've got a standard drawbar, not adjustable drawbar. You can have an adjustable drawbar if you want. We have 50mm eye on this trailer, available at 57.5 as well. Susie's, either near side, on top of the draw beam, or on the off side. Totally up to you and your specification. Position there for wide load marker boards to be put in with the light socket. Fold up jack leg. Wheel chocks. Under the bed of the trailer, spare wheel with a winch so you can lower it and winch the punctured tyre back up if that's the case. We have sockets for working at height. We have bolster sockets. We have lashing loops in the side of the trailer, in the center of the trailer, and we also have multi-lock down the center of the trailer, all the way down. This one, fully galvanized. This is painted on top with anti-slip. On the sides of the trailer, painted your corporate colors. This one, just in Scania chassis grey, or in a chassis grey. Nice little toolbox on the front. Straps, Susie's, spares. There's a wheel nut, spanner in there. SAF axles, Wabco EBS, Pirelli tyres 235 17.5s. On the back we have all the ramp controls in a lovely little box. Twist the handle the right way, it opens better. So all the controls there, and then we have radio control, wired remote control up and down here for your ramps. Ramps consist of metre wide power toe ramps with power in, power out, giving a lovely low angle. Ideal for excavators, dumpers, your wheeled planers. So available ex-stock from Andover today. Please telephone myself, Clive, or Wayne on 01264 358 944 or sales@andovertrailers.co.uk. Thank you very much.